Stuck with a locked phone or endless boot loop? Mobile Solutions Hub has got your back. At Mobile Solutions Hub, we specialize in lightning-fast, reliable, and affordable mobile repairs and unlocking services. Whether it's an iCloud bypass for iPhone 6-X, fixing frustrating boot loops, Android flashing, or bypassing those tricky factory reset protections, our expert technicians handle it all. Speed is our game. We know your mobile device is crucial, so we work fast to get you reconnected in no time. Most repairs are completed while you wait. Reliability? We've got it covered. Our skilled team uses cutting-edge tools to ensure your device is fixed right the first time, every time. Plus, we offer warranties on our services, giving you peace of mind. And affordability? You bet. We believe quality repairs shouldn't break the bank. With our transparent pricing, you'll know exactly what you're paying for. No hidden fees, no surprises. Ready to get your device back in working order? Reach out to us on Telegram at Don't Let Mobile Issues Slow You Down. Trust Mobile Solutions Hub to keep you connected. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, and let's get your device back to perfection.